Hi guys, it's Tad from Kinetic Evolution. What we're here today to talk about is a progression for single leg plyos. So we've talked about using the chair drill to find a good movement pattern and feel a good movement pattern. And what we do is, with that drill, it's mostly feeling a vertical jumping motion. So when we've got that feel, we want to progress it. And what we can do now is take the agility discs and put them down and start to go through a drill that focuses more now, rather than vertical, on horizontal and lateral forces. And this is a wonderful progression to build the coordination and the feel prior to getting into like maximum explosive jumping exercises. So with this drill, what we're looking for is the same body position where we're using those hips and hamstrings to push and propel us through the course. What we see most often is athletes will get very vertical and they'll pull themselves through the course rather than push. So they get very vertical, and it's almost the leg that's in the air feels like it's pulling them through the course. That movement pattern in that body position, it isn't what we want for acceleration change of direction. It puts us in a position where we're overusing the knee and we're producing a lot of vertical force, and we're not producing fast, quick horizontal force. We want that body position that we practice with the chair drill, where we can boom, 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 boom. We can move through the cones light and fast, minimizing the amount of vertical forces and really learning how to produce those fast horizontal forces. So I'll give you an example of this in action. Take a look at the video and we'll be right back. Hey guys, so the goal of the drill is to create progressively more challenging courses and to be able to go through it lighter and lighter and lighter and faster and faster and faster. So to stop producing as much vertical force and more horizontal force, to get better at that horizontal and lateral propulsion. And by mastering this, it puts you in a wonderful position to progress to more max explosive strength plyometric exercises like single leg hop, multiple single leg hop, max laterals, single leg hops over hurdles. Mastery of this will, from a feeling and a coordination standpoint, put you in an excellent position to get to those. So if you're learning single leg plyos, or if you're improving your technique, or if you're rehabbing and just going through a simple progression, this is a great drill to try and apply. So give it a shot. See how it feels. Let us know if you have any questions or comments. Good luck with that, guys. Thanks for watching.